how to watch NFL games on Sling TV. Now, the very main thing that you could do is actually go directly into the Google Play Store or any app store available on your phone. Simply download Sling TV from there and take note that this is not going to come for free. So if you open up the application, you will be given an option to either subscribe for Sling Orange or Sling Blue. Now, those specific features has its own additional packages. So if you would like to watch most of the NFL football with Sling, then you just gotta go ahead and subscribe to Sling Orange plus Blue with sports extras with ESPN, NFL Network, NFL Red Zone, and NBC and Fox. Now, those are just on the selected markets, but blackout restrictions may apply, and then all games subject to broadcast restrictions as determined by geographic location. And that's it. That's how you watch NFL games on Sling TV.